Meaning of formidable.
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 Formidable. Formidable means something that causes fear, apprehension, or respect due to its size, power, strength, or intensity. It can also refer to someone who possesses impressive or intimidating qualities. The term formidable connotes a sense of awe and admiration in the face of something potentially threatening or overwhelming. It suggests a level of challenge or difficulty that must be overcome with grit, determination, or skill. Whether it's a formidable opponent, obstacle, or task, the word implies a significant degree of difficulty that demands one's utmost attention and effort.